from Morrissons, and I'm gonna do a food haul for you guys. Today is not very cold, it's not very warm. I'm actually sweating because I'm wearing Canada Goose. Yeah, and I put my Gucci head, you know. Yeah, I don't wear these very often, but yeah, let's go to the food haul, guys. This is everything I got from Morrison's today. So this is my weekend food shopping for Morrison's. Let's start off because I don't want this video to be very long. So this is the white cabbage. I'm going to make some wraps, and I'll be steaming these with sort of a nice seasoned garlic and onions and shallots and stuff. I've got mango. It was 89 pence. It's upside down. Yeah, it's not ready yet. What's the word for it?
It's not ripe.
It's not ripe. My daughter just, it's not ripe, you guys. I'm not British.
You have to leave it until it ripes.
Okay, so this is tomato and habanero chili.
To turn it.
Yeah, so this is tasty.
Chutney.
Well, I don't know in fact if
You
it's
don't
tasty or
know.
not.
It's actually really tasty.
Okay,
I had one
Freya
with
said it's
chili.
tasty.
One with
Guys,
chili.
this is my scene. I eat a lot of Gary, and this is a half kg. You know, if you know cassava, if you're African, you know about Gary. It's very fattening. This is the reason why I put a lot of weight on.
She eats it every day.
I can't go without it, but let's this aside because I need to give up in eating Gary, to be honest with you. Moving on, we have got some lamb chops in here. It was £4.50, and I'm very happy about it because it was a special offer. You know, lamb can be quite expensive. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I can't wait to...
How much was the special offer?
£4.50, Freya, here.
Oh god, that's cheap. Usually it's like £10.
Okay. So we have got free range loose eggs. I initially, when I saw, I thought, oh, that's so cheap, like. But then I realized that I normally get like 1,000 of, you know, the other eggs, the ordinary one, for £1.20. You know, after paying is when I realized that actually they're quite expensive. So it's 20 pence each. But let's just give a try. Sometimes I buy organic and sometimes I don't. Then we have got spring onions in here. We have got baked spinach to go with that, with eggs to make like a nice omelette, or like you know, just
I hate spinach.
just to make like I said, omelette basically. Then we have the salt and pepper chicken goujons, which are very nice. We like to snack on that. Shown you already the bread. Those are the white burbs. Freya said burbs. Then we have got
lemon donuts are just
the lemon
best.
donuts.
They're just best.
Do you actually like the lemon one?
The lemon ones, they're actually really sweet.
Oh, lovely.
They're really sweet. I had one before. But
Okay,
really
I never
sweet.
tried those before, but it was only
Like
50
they're the
pence.
sweetest thing you could ever eat.
Oh, and then we have got sweet and crunchy salad, and I thought it was quite nice. I normally like to buy mine and make my own, but it had everything. You know, we had sweet corn, we had lettuce, we had pepper. You know, we have got peppers in there, bell peppers, carrots. I mean, it's a big salad. That's 2 days, you know, meal type of thing. You know.
It's also sharing time.
And then I saw duck's liver, love, well seasoned with a lot of garlic and lemons, just amazing. I love it. You know, Freya said it's disgusting to her, but
My favorite.
I love it.
My favorite.
Then we have got the baby plum tomatoes.
Yeah, my favorite. I eat them all in one day.
Right, okay, Freya's getting excited over tomatoes. That's my daughter prefer to eat vegetables rather than having fruit.
Yeah.
You know, so it's quite alright. I don't mind that.
You that Pringles?
Oh, Pringles. Yeah, Pringles was £1.50. It was by the door. You know, like they had like discount offer. Never tried this one here. I'm not a big fan of like, you know, like...
Barbecue.
No, it's just like crisps and things. I'm not really, even though I've been in Britain for 21 years, but I don't really eat. Like all my mates, like they have like in school, universities, a very British thing, but I never caught the bug of eating crisps and stuff. So I buy for my daughter.
Yeah. There's a new sausage one. You should go check that one.
Yeah, but sometimes I just have one or two. Can you believe it? That can last me like a month, but Freya will have within an hour. Okay, guys.
Within 5 minutes.
This is everything I've got for Morrison's. I'm dying to eat my curry I haven't had for 2 days.
My tomatoes. I'm dying to eat these.
Okay.
I'm dying to.
And I'll be seasoning my lamb chops for tomorrow.
Lamb chops was so good.
Yeah. And I'll be having today for my breakfast. It's already gone past 1 o'clock, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna have that with spinach, and I'll try out this baby here. All right, guys, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I make videos about cleaning, home interior, cooking, motherhood, and much more, like fragrance reviews, fashion, and so on. Smash that like button. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.